Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip, you should only do if you're certain it can be done safely. I have these nuts that have been opened by the squirrels hanging around here, and they definitely hurt when you're practicing barefoot. And what I notice is when people come into a slippery spot or a sharp spot, or they step on a bee or an acorn or a stick or stone, if they have weight on the foot, they tend to push off, kind of making things worse for a moment as I push into the glass or whatever it might be. But more to the point for Tai Chi Chuan, they tend to change, I'll do it this way, step on a thing, ow, and I tend to throw my posture off. If I don't have my weight on it and I set it down, I can just remove the foot. But again, it's very easy for people to not just remove the foot, but to go with such spirited speed and suddenness that they lean and that they hold the breath, or perhaps they shout or say a swear, and the shoulders come up and so forth. So the practice here is to practice like I am in a place that there's some nice mossy and there's some sticks, and then there's these dreaded nut shells, nut casings. And when I step on one, I'm checking in that I don't overcommit my weight. And if I do shift my weight to it or begin to, that I keep my principles when I return, even if I do it fast. And ideally, I'd like to feel everything and say, oh, let me not give it weight. But again, if I do that fairly fast, like ow, sharp or hot or cold or slippery or something, that I maintain my principles. I stay relaxed and upright. Good way to do this is have somebody just occasionally say to you, sharp or whatever, now or whatever, just to indicate to you that you've stepped on something, and see if you can preserve your principles as you preserve the health of the sole of your foot. So you can do it on a floor that's been swept and clean and have somebody say to you, now, now. And they might try and do it just when your weight's on it or when your weight's not on it, whatever works for you. But enjoy that. And I recommend recording yourself doing this one, because you may subtly violate your principles but not notice it until you review the tape. Thanks.
Linktree.com/Someday Farm is how you can find us online. While you're thinking about finding us, maybe think about helping us financially. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is based on tips. Thank you.